Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a cook and clean with us, and I have my husband Chance here, and he's going to help me cook because he is a pro at this pressure cooker thing. And what are we making?
Chicken broccoli rice casserole. Cheese.
With chicken, broccoli, and rice casserole with cheese. And we are going to use the Cosori pressure cooker to cook our meal today. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing that I did was I added 3 cups of chicken broth, and I was cooking 3 chicken breasts for this recipe, but you could do 4 cups. It just depends on how much chicken you want in your recipe. All right, and then we added in just a little bit of seasoned salt and pepper. Then you add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and then put in your chicken breast and stir it all together. All right, now you're gonna lock the top on, then set the pressure cooker to high, and then set the timer for 10 minutes. And then once the 10 minutes has gone up and it beeps, then you're going to do a quick release on the pressure cooker. When all the pressure is out, then you can go ahead and take your chicken out and you can cut it into cubes as big as you would like for your casserole. Now you take a cup of the chicken broth that you used to cook your chicken in and a cup of rice, and you're going to put it in the pressure cooker, and then we use just the presetting of the rice option on the Cosori cooker. Just steamed our broccoli in the microwave and went ahead and pulled it out. When the timer went off for the rice, we did a quick release. Then we opened it up, mixed everything into the pressure cooker, the rice, the broccoli, and the chicken, and then we added 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, mixed it all really good, and then we just put it in a baking dish and then popped it into the oven, and we just had the oven on broil because it was already nice and hot from the pressure cooker, and then we just wanted to keep it in the oven until the cheese was melted. So overall, this meal takes about 30 to 35 minutes with prep time and everything, and I will leave the recipe down in the box below, in the description box below, so that you can check it out if you'd like to. This wasn't something that I found on Pinterest or anything. We just kind of took a recipe that we already knew and made it work for the pressure cooker. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, my Instagram handle is Team Darley. So go check out my Instagram if you would like to see more of our everyday lives. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.